Hello, hello, hello. This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, and I am back for an update on Upgrade. I did a video previously introducing Upgrade on how you can earn $100. Now, so to get $100, you would just need to refer someone. Well, first of all, you would join, you would sign up under my link, and you would make a deposit into your account, a minimum of $10, and then make 3 purchases. All right. Once you do that, they will deposit $100 into your account, like within, like, I think after I made my third purchase, the money was in my account in like 2 business days. I'm drinking coffee right now. So, yeah, like 3 business days, it was in my account. So here is my bonus I earned, and I have some others, 3 in progress, that are in the process of qualifying to receive $100. So one person, I received it, and then they received it also. So you have to share your referral link with a friend. Your friend opens a rewards checking account and complete 3 debit card purchases within 60 days. You and your friend get $100 bonuses in rewards. Now, they extended this. It was going to end October 31st. That's what my last video said, but they've extended it to end January 31st of 2023. Okay, so you have time to sign up for this to get a $100. I think the max they'll allow you to get is 10 people. 10 referrals is the max. And I think that's probably here in the terms and conditions. The person that referred me said you can only get 10. So, but 10 is the max. So it'll probably all be in here. Yes, here it is. Here you can earn a max of 10 referral bonuses from all qualified referrals in 1 calendar year. So 10 per year, actually. So yeah, after a year passes, if you want to get more, then you can probably do it again. It says in 1 calendar year. I'm curious to know if that is the case. So, but yeah, this is a way I did get paid. I wanted to show you guys this, that I did receive my bonus. And my link for this will be in the description for you to sign up. And that is it. That is all, guys, that I wanted to show you in this video. If you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. And until next time, I see you on the next level. Will you be there? I hope so. Bye-bye.